In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert image to video in OpenAI Sora tutorial. Broken glass bridge, crazy edit. We're going to turn a single still photo into a lively short video using Sora. I'll show you how to find the site, upload your image, write a clear prompt, and generate the clip, all in a smooth, beginner-friendly workflow. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Sora. You should see the official Sora page near the top of the results. Look for the link that leads to the OpenAI Sora Explore page. Skip any lookalike links or ads and stick to the official domain so you know you're in the right place. Click into the Sora website. You'll land on the Explore area where you can browse examples and access the creation interface. If you're prompted to sign in, just follow the on-screen steps so you can create and save your work without interruptions. Once you're in, you're ready to begin. Find the plus icon to upload a photo. Click it and select the image you want to animate from your computer or phone. Most common formats like JPG and PNG work well. For best results, choose a crisp, well-lit image with a clear subject. High contrast and simple backgrounds help Sora infer depth and motion. If your file is large, give it a moment to upload, and remember that your image's aspect ratio can influence the final framing. Next, craft your prompt. We'll use this playful concept. A funny, safe moment on a high glass bridge where a child triggers the bridge's prank cracking sound, startling their parent as tourists react before everyone bursts into relieved laughter. Paste or type that into the prompt box. Keep the tone light and explicitly safe so the model understands it's a harmless, comedic scene. If you want to guide the style further, you can add optional notes like bright daylight, a gentle handheld camera feel, subtle wind across the bridge, portrait or landscape orientation, and a short duration. Just keep it concise and focused on the main action. Now click Create Video. Sora will process your image and prompt, then generate a short clip. This can take a little time, so be patient and let it render fully. When the preview appears, play it through and notice the motion, expressions, and timing. If something feels off, maybe the reactions are too muted or the pacing is too quick, tweak a few words in your prompt and run. Create video again. Small, targeted changes often make a big difference. And that's it. You searched for Sora, uploaded your photo, described the moment, and created your broken glass bridge crazy edit. Save your result, and you're ready to share.